Hey there, just a quick tip on how to save some space in a workshop, or if you have a workshop that's not too big. What we've got here is a little job site table. It's got two little rotary clampy arms right here. Then move these two jaws together, have one on each side. Take these two guys off, show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like with the tools not in place. This here just closes, moves the arms together. Don't have three arms, so I can't really show you that well. Also folds up fairly flat. Can store it away pretty easily. These guys here, you can just pack them in a shelf. Even this homemade belt sander right here. To make them, literally all I've done is instead of, like, say, bolting this vise to the desk, it's just bolted to a 2x6 right here. 2x6 is bolted to a 2x4, and the 2x4 is what fits right here, clamps together on this guy. Holds on pretty securely to the tools. Also, I don't believe you necessarily have to cut the 2x4s this long. You can probably get away with shortening them a little bit. I just never bothered doing it in mine. No reason to. Anyways, thanks for watching, and sorry about the bad lighting, getting dark now. Anyways, hope this helps someone out. See ya.